you've been looking for a move-in ready condominium, here we go, townhouse style. We'll get you through here in no time, and this is a FHA approved complex. As you can see, one car garage and townhouse. Guest parking is right over there. And this is unit 202 in the Jewett City area of Griswold, Connecticut. And just to give you an idea, single parking spot right here, guest parking over there. This home has a total of 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. The address is 61 South Main Street, unit 202. We've got storage right here underneath the stairs. Your one car garage is right here. Automatic opener. The property HOA fee is $250 a month. And like I said, it is FHA approved. Electric hot water heater. You've got the electric heat pump. This equipment is young. 2019 is when it was updated. This is my office and gym area on the first floor. But what's unique about this property, and if you take a peek at this in the backyard, this is just something special. You do not find this very often. The property taxes are just under $3,500 at $3,486. You can see the back of the unit right there. But how is this? Waterfront living. And this river view. You can throw a line in there. Fish galore. The grandchild of the seller said his grandson had a great time catching fish. 2 bedrooms upstairs, 2 full baths upstairs, half bath on the first floor, office gym right here on the lower level. Total living area, 1,511 square feet. Entryway was right there, 1 car garage, hot water heater, furnace. So we'll get you through here relatively fast. Top of the stairs, we've got coat closet. Here's my main living area. Take you right into the kitchen. We've got a reach-in pantry right here. These countertops look like they're stone, but they are laminate. 42-inch is the scale on the uppers. Electric smooth top on the range. Plenty of storage. French door, bottom freezer. Got another shallow closet right there. More of a broom closet than anything else. Half bath right here. Vinyl flooring right there. This is actually modern laminate flooring, durable. It's not the first generation stuff. It's got some good graining in it. Normally right here would be the dining room table. My cellar is half moved out. Capacity to close. We're not dependent on finding any suitable housing. How's this right here? River right here. Come on up. Second floor. This is where the 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths are. Primary takes advantage of that view. We'll go right back to the balcony. How's this for a view? Nothing more relaxing than to have that water flow right there. I like the privacy fence right there. Scale of this bed, it's a king. And right behind me right here, we've got a walk-in closet. Take a peek right here. Full bath ensuite with the primary. Coat closet right there. Sorry, not coat closet, clothes closet. Clothes closet, so plenty for his and hers, if you will. Single vanity. Commode is right behind the door right there. 4-foot stall shower. Again, that's vinyl flooring right there. Carpet's in great shape. I'm gonna call this move-in ready. Stackable washer dryer right there. Got a nice linen closet right here. Tub shower, one piece, easy to clean. Bath 2. And here's bedroom 2. This is got a reach-in closet right there. This is overlooking the driveway area and parking. So that's it. I would schedule your showings today. To be in New London County, under $300,000, this is an opportunity for you if you've been looking for that type of opportunity. Thank you.